guys, so this video came as a result of me wanting to synthesize ethylene chlorohydrin in my another video. And in order to synthesize ethylene chlorohydrin, HCl gas is going to be needed. And HCl gas obtained by reacting strong mineral acid like sulphuric acid with the sodium chloride or table salt. But not every table salt is going to be suitable, especially in this reaction of producing ethylene chlorohydrin, because most of the commercial table salt do contain iodine. And once you react strong mineral acid like sulphuric acid with iodized salt, you get HCl gas or hydrochloric acid as usual, but you also come across another impurity like iodic acid. So in order to avoid that, I have decided to purchase this crude table salt from my local herbal store. This salt might not be free from organic impurities, something that I think it is not going to affect our reaction. But I'm 100% sure this salt is going to be free from organic impurities like the one we are trying to avoid, which is iodine. So this salt, we are going to grind it down at multiple stages, and we are also going to dry it inside the oven multiple times so you can get pure dried sodium chloride powder. And why are we drying this sodium chloride salt? It's because these salts are normally stay open or exposed to the air, and once they are exposed to the air, they readily absorb the moisture from the atmosphere. And in order to produce some sort of pure HCl gas, the salt should be at least on its dry form. So from that we can be able to get a pure HCl gas. Okay guys, so we are going to use this oven to dry our grinded sodium chloride, and we are going to pour it on this oven pan. Yes, just like that. And we are going to use this little tiny oven, the bread and breakfast oven of my wife, to dry our sodium chloride salt. Yes, I have been using this oven several times, and I think it has a great heat transfer when it comes to dry something like this. So we are going to spread our sodium chloride on this oven pan. Yes, just like that. And we are going to take it inside the oven and switch it on. We're also going to set the oven temperature not above 150. We're only going to set it around 80 at 110 or 130, something like that. Yes, we only want to dry the salt, we don't want to melt it. We're also going to set the oven timer around 10 to 30 minutes. Yes. Okay, so here is our dried sodium chloride. We have already taken it off from the oven. As you can see it has dried some point, but we are not going to store it. We are going to put it on the bowl and try to grind it again into fine powder and take it again inside the oven so to dry it completely. Okay guys, so we are going to grind again this sodium chloride which has already been dried inside the oven, and we're going to grind it again so we can get fine powder from it. And after that we are going to take it inside the oven again so it can completely get dried. Yes. Okay guys, so let us take it out of the oven, our sodium chloride salt. Yes, and let us first close the oven door. Yes, and let us try to touch it and see how dried it is. Guys, I can tell you this is a fully dried sodium chloride salt, and it is very fine powder. Yes, so let us pour it on this bowl so guys you can take a look very closely. I hope you can see it by yourself. Yes. So let us pour it on this glass jar before it started to absorb the moisture from atmosphere. Yes. And let us put the glass lid on it and close it. So that's it. Okay, so this sodium chloride salt is going to be used for the synthesis of ethylene chlorohydrin in my another video. So guys, please subscribe in order to watch it. Thanks.